We'll guide you through how to make liquid glass animation in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many CapCut users want to create clean, professional-looking video designs with smooth edges and animated effects, but do not know how to use features like masks, opacity, and compound clips. First, open your CapCut application on your device to begin editing your project. Create a new project by pressing the button at the top of the screen and wait for the editing workspace to load. After entering the project, add a background to your project first so you have a base layer to work with. Next, add a text box to the project by selecting the text option from the menu. On the right menu, delete the default text that appears and press the spacebar several times to create a larger frame for your design. After that, scroll down until you see the background section in the text settings and turn it on. Once the background is enabled, change the background color into white so it becomes clearly visible. Then, set the opacity to 45 so the background appears slightly transparent. Scroll down a bit more until you find the rounded rectangle option and set it to 25 to soften the edges. After adjusting the text box, click on the text layer and press the compound clip option to combine the elements. Next, go to the video layer and make it bigger so it fills more of the screen. After resizing the video, move to the mask option and press the rectangle shape to apply it. Scroll down again and set the round corners to 25, then adjust the mask around the rectangle so it fits properly. After positioning the mask, press the revert icon and set the feather value to 25 to create a smoother edge effect. Finally, add an animation to the compound clip to enhance the visual presentation. Choose an animation style that fits your project and adjust its timing if needed. Once everything is set, review your project to ensure all elements are aligned and look correct. If necessary, make small adjustments before finishing. Following these steps carefully will help you create a clean and visually appealing design in CapCut with smooth edges and a polished animated effect for your final output.